How old's Boomer?
4. Just turned 4.
Oh, magical age for puppies.
Not for boxers. I have puppies all the time.
Oh no.
From birth until they're 15, but they're wonderful dogs. They're clowns. Daddy's way too smart for their own good.
Sounds like my 9-year-old boy.
Do you have any dogs?
We don't have a dog right now. We had a black lab.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, but it was, kind of a family dog I'd had for a long time. So it was a little bit older when it became fully my possession. But probably another one. I'm thinking about moving in the spring. So I think I'm going to wait to do that. But what's up? I'm in Kenosha. But I'm looking in like Lake Bluff.
You want to come back to Illinois?
Yeah.
Sure you want to do that?
No. Not at all.
It sounds like you're trying to go backwards and do stuff there.
Yeah, I think I might. I kind of want to get my boy established somewhere in like a really nice high school district. Not that Kenosha's actually got surprisingly good schools, but to get anything really spectacular in Wisconsin, I'd have to get farther away from here, and that would just increase my driving. So, but I completely sympathize with your concern.